Hello YouTubers, welcome to a little shed in a country town in Australia. Left to right I have a stock Harley horn, in the middle a drag Specialties horn, and on the end the mini screaming Banshee. The drag Specialty is supposed to be 110 dB and the mini Banshee is supposed to be 126. This is the drag Specialties part number and the box. And over to the side here is the Screaming Banshee Mini, the box. Both of these come well packaged and were in excellent condition when I received them in the post. First up is the sound of the stock Harley horn. Drag Specialties 110 dB horn. The Screaming Banshee, sorry, the mini Screaming Banshee. I'm not sure whether you can hear it or not, but the stock Harley horn, it works, but it's not very loud. The drag Specialties horn was substantially louder than the stock Harley horn, and the Screaming Banshee is way louder yet again, and I actually like the tone of it. It actually sounds like a lot bigger vehicle than a motorbike. Hope this has helped you. Cheers. Ride safe.